Hello viewers, welcome to Clever Cube. The UK is currently suffering an outbreak of monkeypox after two cases were detected in Wales. And this video is all about the monkeypox. But before diving into this topic, let us know little geography of Wales. Wales is country and a part of United Kingdom, which lies in the west of England. The Cambrian Mountains are a series of mountain ranges in Wales. You can see Irish Sea and Liverpool Bay to the north of Wales, and towards its south, Celtic Sea and Bristol Channel. You can also see St George's Channel to the west of Wales. Coming to monkeypox, monkeypox is a zoonotic disease which is transmitted to humans from animals. It is a re-emerging zoonosis caused by monkeypox virus, a member of genus Orthopox virus in the Poxviridae family. Monkeypox virus is related to variola virus, which is the causative agent of smallpox. The clinical representation of monkeypox resembles that of smallpox, a related orthopox virus infection which has been eradicated worldwide. The disease most commonly occur in Central and West Africa, though it was first identified in 1958 among laboratory monkeys. The first case in humans were found in 1970 in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Transmission spreads through direct contact with the blood, bodily fluids, cutaneous or mucosal lesions of infected animals. The evidence of monkeypox virus infection has been found in many animals including rope squirrels, tree squirrels, Gambian poached rats, dormice, and different species of monkeys and others. The natural reservoir of monkeypox has not yet been identified, though rodents are the most likely. Symptoms: the incubation period of monkeypox is usually from 6 to 13 days but can range from 5 to 21 days. The infection can be divided into two periods: the invasion and eruption. Invasion period lasts between 0 to 5 days and is characterized by fever, intense headache, swelling of nodes known as lymphadenopathy, back pain, muscle aches, and lack of energy known as intense asthenia. Swelling of lymph nodes is a distinctive feature of monkeypox compared to other diseases that may initially appear similar like chickenpox, measles, and smallpox. The eruption usually begins within 1 to 3 days of appearance of fever. It affects the face, palms of hands, and soles of feet. Monkeypox is usually a self-limited disease with the symptoms lasting from 2 to 4 weeks. Severe cases occur more commonly among children and are related to the extent of virus exposure, patient health status, and nature of complications. Complications of monkeypox can include secondary infections, bronchopneumonia, sepsis, encephalitis, and infection of the cornea with ensuing loss of vision. The case fatality ratio of monkeypox has varied between 0 and 11% in the general population and has been higher among young children. Treatment: currently, there is no specific treatment for monkeypox. However, with 85% efficiency, it is controlled with medicines which are used for treating smallpox, such as vaccinia immune globulin, Kidofovir, and ST246. Prevention: raising awareness of risk factors and educating people about the measures they can take to reduce exposure to the virus is the main prevention strategy for monkeypox. Reducing the risk of zoonotic transmission, reducing the risk of human to human transmission, strict regulations restricting import of rodents and non-human primates. Thanks for watching and please like, share and subscribe to our channel.